Hi family, it's a beautiful brand new day. My name is Dr. Ebenezer Mate and I'm the CEO of PSCA Herbal Clinic. This morning I want us to learn about this particular plant here. It's called Asthma Plant in English and it's called Kakariaje in Chi. Actually, there are so many people out there suffering from asthma, using inhalers, getting attacked each and every day, and they don't know what to do about it. Please, this plant is a perfect plant for asthma, and its usage is very simple. If you're asthmatic or you know anyone who is asthmatic, kindly share this video to him or her. If you're asthmatic, kindly save this video and it will help you very much. What you do is you just plug the whole plant, you just uproot the whole plant, wash it neatly, okay? You wash the whole thing neatly and then boil it in a clay pot. I've been always saying you have to boil plants in clay pots because clay pots are very good for boiling herbal medicines. Okay, so if you are a follower, if you follow me, make sure you go get yourself a clay pot. It's very important. Okay, so go get yourself a clay pot and then boil it in it. Okay, and allow it to cool down and take 100 ml 3 times a day. You take 100 ml 3 times a day. Do this continuously for a month and your asthma will disappear. Just last 3 days, an old man called me that he's actually suffering from asthma and he was attacked. So I showed him this plant. He did it, and yesterday he called me that he's doing better just within a day, not even less than 24 hours. The man told me he has seen great changes and it's very good. So if you know any asthmatic, or if yourself you're asthmatic, save this video. I've allowed a save, so you can save it on your phone, you can post it on Facebook, you can post it on WhatsApp or anywhere. Let's help the asthmatic patients out there, okay? And you can follow me on Facebook. My Facebook handle name is Dr. Ebenezer Mate. Dr. Ebenezer Mate, the same name I'm using over here. So you can search for me on Facebook and follow me over there. Over there too, we learn a lot, okay? So this is the asthma plant. You know, the whites call it asthma